Hi, this is Ian Toss with RE/MAX Professionals, and today we're at Long Lake Heights at a beautiful home at 148 Summit, and perhaps the ideal entertaining space for dinner outside, some cocktails, hot tub, putting green. Your guests will never leave. Well, let's have a look inside. All about the kitchens here at 148 Summit, and why wouldn't it be? Look at this beautiful waterfall island. Fantastic finishing, completely painted inside, beautiful living room area, and soaring ceilings. Hey, we all know renovating in 2026 is expensive, so when you can find a home where all that work has been done, you want to act on it right away. Here at 148 Summit, we're in the primary bedroom, beautiful ensuite, double sinks, shower, and doors to a deck to enjoy the views of Long Lake. Let's do a recap here at 148 Summit. Completely renovated home in Long Lake Heights. And when I say completely renovated, I also mean the roof, the windows, ductless heat pump, beautifully renovated inside. And this yard space in Long Lake Heights is very, very rare. So you're in the backyard, you've got a nice fire pit here and a hot tub there, and it's nice to have some dining there. And then at the end of the day, hey, it's a putting contest. Let's see if Ian can get this one in. Boom, look at that. Call your agent to book a viewing today.